Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final review of 5th of April 2017. This is the final analysis of the day. So guys, make sure that you have watched the previous video so that you know that most of the things are linked with another video. Okay, let's get started with USDCHF at the moment. So buy position is taken on USDCHF today, and when I have updated my video that was published during the midday, then I have posted this signal. I have shown you this signal that USDCHF I have a bullish expectation for the day, and now on that time the market just started making a bullish pattern. So I have already shown you about the trade here. That was the trade, and that's that's the trade that is taken on USDCHF right now. So you know that hammer was appeared after a downward trend, and I have shown you that now the market has started making a bullish pattern. Even you can see the scalper has provided you with a buy signal. The market was going up, and now we have long bullish candles on the chart, and hourly candle was closed above the dotted blue line, so there was chance that the next candle should be bullish, and I have closed my trade somewhere here, and you can see the expected result on my chart according to the analysis. So guys, it means that we have done very successfully done with the signal, and that's what I have shown you during the midday, and I'm hopeful that the subscribers who have seen this video, they must be in profits according to the analysis that I have provided during the midday. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD, guys. Basically you can see that we have seen a sweet downward trend on AUDUSD. The market started making a bearish pattern, and we have a doji here after a upward trend. Then it was going down, and hourly candle was closed below the dotted blue line. Monitor was red. Everything was giving a sell signal. Even right now you can see that we are still getting sell signals on the chart. Okay, moreover, I'm going to talk about the signals report. Okay, look here, that was a bearish signal from my side. I was just expecting the market to go up to 0.75471, and it's on the way, and you can see that the market is making a bearish pattern. So if you have this trading system, then this trade was also pretty fine according to this system, because we have received a sell signal at the top. The market was making a bearish pattern. Even scalper has provided you with sell signals many times, and monitor was also red. Okay, so now the next trade, USD Canadian dollar. So guys, basically when I have made the video during the midday, then I have updated this thing that it was making a bearish pattern, and I just talked about this thing that USD Canadian dollar is weak, but it went up went down in the oversold levels, and then we received a buy signal. Still that was not a confirmation. Look, the next candles were going bullish, and we were just looking that after a downward trend we are getting a bullish signal here. The market is making the bullish candles. Even the monitor was turned into green. So simply buy position was taken on USD Canadian dollar here, and you know that I have basically sold this pair in the during the midday, and then this buy trade is taken according to these this trading system, and you know that I have supplied the signal for USD Canadian dollar here. Look, it was bearish. The signal was bearish, and we have first catch up the bearish trend on it, and then in the later half of the day, when we are ended up with the bearish opportunities on the pair, then we have seen a bullish trend, and this trade is purely based on the trading system, and you can see that the market has moved up. Okay, what next is Great Britain pound USD sell position is taken. So simple trade, it is basically, it has went up, and then we have a rejection from the red level, and you can see that the market is going down, and I was only looking for the bearish opportunity on Great Britain pound USD, whereas I think the signal was a bit different. I think it was okay, that's fine, but it was below 124403. The signal is you can say that basically it has moved up. I have given the signal here, but it does not mean that my traders take the trade, because I have mentioned in my signals report there is a video inside it, and I have shown you the method that how to take this trade, because this is not about the pending orders. So basically we have missed our signal here. The market moved up, so there is no need to worry, because my subscribers have the trading system, and they only take the trade when the market completes the U-turn. So for example, let's say I have a sell entry from here. but now look, the market has crossed this level, it moved up, and my traders does not open any trade when the market just hit that level. If it is crossed above, then they wait for the U-turn. So for example, let's say if in the later hours the market breaks this entry 124525 from above, and then they will take their sell positions. But guys, I'm just going to show you this thing because some subscribers ask this question: when the signal is missed, then how to trade? Then you must know that you should trade according to the trading system and follow the trend that I have mentioned in my signals report. If I'm bearish in my signals report, then what you can do is that let the market come up in the top red boundary, and look, we have a valid trade here, we have a shooting star here, we have a doji here, and now you can see that the market is making a bearish pattern, and that is why I have taken a sell position on Great Britain Pound USD a bit later. Okay, now let's talk about Euro USD here. It was an easy trade. You know, I have already updated that I'm just looking Euro USD to be bearish, and you can confirm this thing from the video that I have posted in the midday. I have clearly mentioned that I'm just bearish on that pair, and even in the midday report I have shown you the signal for a bearish trend, and I have mentioned that I'm just looking for the market up to here. Now guys, compare the market. I think when I have supplied the signal when the market was here, now you can see 1 2 3 4, and even the 5th hour the market is going down. And look, scalping was also on. Hourly candle was closed below the dotted blue line, so there were more selling chances, and now you can see that Euro USD has gone down according to the expectation. At last, I'm going to talk about New Zealand USD. Yes, that's the thing. Okay. So basically, when I have updated the midday report, so I have talked about the bullish pin bar here. We have a bullish pin bar here. I have shown you that I'm just looking it to be bullish, but it went up bullish for 2 hours, and after that we see that it was looking like that the market is getting a rejection from the top red boundary, and you know that this is the overbought level of the market. So I have supplied the signal. It was bullish from my side in the morning, and I was just I was curious, you know, that I also had loss on New Zealand USD today, but later on it started making a bearish pattern, so I decided to go with the flow of the market, and you can see that again in the later half of the day we have taken a sell position and the market has gone down, and even you can see that the hourly candles are closed below the dotted blue line. The next candle is bearish. So guys, this is how you need to use this trading system, and signals are quite powerful. I'm just going to review the complete signals here. That was the report sent to the subscribers 10 hours ago. Euro USD bearish, it went bearish. New Zealand USD bullish, it went half bullish, and Great Britain Pound USD bearish, you know that it went bearish. USD JPY bearish, it is right now it's against our signal. Okay, AUD USD bearish, and it has went bearish. USDCHF bullish, and I have shown you that on trading that how I have taken a bullish trade. USD Canadian dollar bearish, and the signal was half missed, but we have taken a trend according to the trading system. We have taken a bearish trade, and Great Britain Pound JPY bearish, but unfortunately it has moved up today. Okay guys, so this is, you know, that we have maintained a very good accuracy with our signals, and the good thing about the signals is that these are completely different from all others in the market, because these are based on a single approach. It's not about sending the signals all the day and just killing my subscribers in this way. I just provide one analysis. Like for example, if I said that I'm looking Euro USD, if I'm just looking Euro USD to be down, then we have only seen a bearish trend on Euro USD. That's what I see. So for example, let's say if I was bearish and the market has gone down, market has moved against the direction that I have predicted in the signals report, then guys, it means that the market has not followed the technical analysis today, because my signals are purely based on the technical analysis. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to tell you that if you want to get this trading system, if you want to subscribe to Forex Signal Service, if you want to get the Forex video lessons or request for live coaching, then for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Like the videos that I post on my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay in touch with the daily Forex trading updates, and share the analysis with others. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow. Bye.